If you don't remember your C3 Pay app password, don't worry. You can easily reset it on the C3 Pay app. The process is very simple and will only take a few minutes. First, open the app and tap on Forgot Password. Then enter your app registered mobile number and tap Next. Make sure the number is correct because you will receive an OTP via SMS on it. Don't share this with anyone else. Enter the OTP in the given field and tap Next. If you didn't get the OTP, you can tap on Resend Code. After that, enter your 16-digit card number and tap Next. Then enter your 3-digit security code found on the back of your card and tap Next again to continue. Now create a new password you will remember. Your password should contain both letters and numbers and be at least 8 characters long. If you need help, tap on How to Create a Password to watch a short video guide. Once your password meets all the requirements, tap Next. And that's it. Your password has been successfully changed. You can now tap on Go to Login and sign in using your new password. For your safety, never share your PIN, OTP, or password with anyone. C3Pay will never ask for this information.